In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an automated approval process in Smartsheet so requests can be reviewed, approved, or declined automatically without manual follow-up. Start by opening the sheet that contains the requests or tasks you want to manage. Make sure you have a column that will trigger the approval process, such as status or approval needed. Once your sheet is ready, click Automation at the top of the screen and select Create Workflow. Choose Start from Scratch and set the trigger to when rows are added or changed. Then select the column that should activate the workflow whenever information is updated. Next, click Add Action and choose Request and Approval. Select the person responsible for reviewing the request. You can enter their email address or choose them from your contacts. To make approval emails easier to identify, use the primary column value as the subject line. Now configure what happens after a decision is made. Under the approved path, add a change cell value action and update the status to approved. You can also add an alert to notify team members that the request has been approved. Under the declined path, add another change cell value action and set the status to declined. If needed, add a notification so the requester is informed immediately. Once your workflow is configured, click Save. To make sure everything works correctly, test the workflow using a sample row and verify that approval requests, notifications, and status updates are being processed automatically. That's how to create an automated approval process in Smartsheet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.